far as the accounts that are concerned, only this will be in a way clarified when the government of India makes a formal statement exactly what may have happened with those Indians that were sent back from the United States on a military aircraft. Of course, the accounts that are coming in from those Indians who have been sent back, but this has now given an opportunity to the opposition as well to raise questions on the government of India, because soon we will be looking at the meeting, and the first meeting that will happen between Prime Minister Modi and the United States President. However, remains to be seen if this issue will be taken up with the President of the United States. Let's put up the opposition raising as far as the symbolic protest that was also seen outside Parliament today. Here is Mallikarjun Kharge, the party president of the Congress, raising questions, saying that we, the India parties, shall not tolerate the humiliation of Indian nationals. Modi government must come out with a detailed statement on the deportation, and why did not we send our own planes to bring them back, the Indians, with dignity and respect, instead of a military plane landing on our soil. So this is as far as when it comes to the protest. Nyamika, the pictures that are now coming in, the question that is now being raised by the opposition, saying that had Indian planes had gone to receive, when it comes to the illegal Indian immigrants, they would have been treated in a better way. They have been demanding answers now.
Well, yes, in fact, this is a question which is being raised by many of the India bloc partners, as the member of parliament are basically raising their voice for making this statement that why our country, why India hasn't sent any of its airplane if these Indian nationals were being brought back to the country, and why we were dependent upon the US military plane. That was the question which is being raised by the Congress Party's MB, Congress Party's president as well. Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has also mentioned it very clearly that it has been very disrespectful, the manner in which these Indian nationals have been sent back to our country, as there are many pictures and visuals which are coming in where they are claiming that these Indian nationals were being changed, they were being changed there in that particular plane, and for that reason they are saying that it is very shameful for the entire nation, the manner in which these Indian nationals have been deported from the United States, and for that reason they are demanding a statement not just from the External Affairs Minister, but they are saying that in fact Prime Minister Narendra Modi should also speak about this entire issue, that why such kind of treatment has been given to the Indian national, as this is a disrespect to our entire country, and that is the reason why the India bloc partners also held a protest within the parliament premises, raising their voice, raising these questions upon the Modi government.
All right, hoping all of the questions that have been raised by the opposition would be answered by the government, as External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar is expected to make a statement. Thank you very much, Nyamika. We'll be standing by for the statement. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.